come closer. I have a special secret. Shh! It's a typewriter and iPad. Let's play a game called Would You Rather. Number 1. Would you rather type slowly without backspace, or would you rather type faster? Number 2. Would you rather pay a lot of money for an old machine, or would you rather pay less for more? Now I've given you something to chew on. Stick around for more. What's up, everybody? Welcome to another Old Tech Review episode. I'm Shelton.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back, and I'm Michaela. So what are we checking out today?
Hold on to your seat. Typewriter.
What? This is huge. What is this for?
Typewriters were created to make writing faster and printing possible.
Wait, they can print too?
Yeah, a typewriter types and prints at the same time.
Now that we've taken a look at what this is, let's see how it works.
Let's do this. First, we need paper.
Okay, here's some paper. Where does it go?
It goes here. This is called the roller. We turn the roller knob counterclockwise and then we are in.
Wait, how do we type? Does it have ink?
Great questions. Of course it has ink. As for typing, you just have to hit the keys. Here, your turn.
Okay, M-I-K-A-E-L-A. This is so cool.
Michaela, is my story ready?
Not yet.
You're as slow as a turtle. I needed that story yesterday. Look at the time. We're behind schedule.
I'm working on it. My Rice is holding up on giving me the scoop.
We're running behind schedule. Make him talk.
Yes, sir. I'm on it.
It's time for us to go. But before that, any last words, Michaela?
I think typewriters may have been helpful in the past, but they're too mechanical and will be very hard to use presently.
We can both agree on that. Thanks for joining us for today's episode.
Today was a blast. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.